Um, now it's too tight on your crotch. You went too far.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah.
So I actually like this top. It's really cute. I like how
Turn.
the back is, and then the sides of these are really neat.
No, I love the leggings. The
Me too.
leggings are awesome.
The leggings are doing it.
So often I see leggings and they're just boring.
Yeah, these are.
These are, but not so. Is too far out in left field. This is the leggings give you enough standard with a little bit of flair to it, but it's not over the top. I love the leggings.
You don't like
I hate them. Not yet. Okay, so you just got a chance to take a look at it. What do you feel? Do you have anything to add to what I put?
Yes, I do not like this shirt at all.
So you did like it, and then you saw yourself in it.
Yeah, looking down, it looks great. My t-shirt is out. It looks sexy for me.
I agree with all of that.
But it does.
You look like it.
I want to take it off.
And you're gonna take it off in a little bit.
It is awful.
Yeah, you kind of. Well, it doesn't look awful. It just looks like I don't want to be attracted to you because you're just too young wearing it. It's cute.
It's comfortable. The leggings.
I was-
Okay, the leggings I really love.
Okay.
I love the see-through side. They're really soft and stretchy. They're not too tight.
Are they compressive?
They are.
Okay, so it does give you support on your stomach and everything.
Yes, it does.
So it's tight enough that it compresses, but not too tight
Yeah,
that.
they're comfortable. My stomach isn't sucked in with the band at all.
How's the material? Is
The
it
material is very nice. It has good quality.
knowing that if you bend over too much, you can see through them? Would you be still comfortable in wearing them?
Oh yeah.
That top just makes you seem like. And then these leggings are really cool. The mesh on the side, it's not lace, it's mesh. So she likes them. She doesn't even mind that they're see-through. She just says that she would pay attention to what she does. Yeah, because when you actually fully bent over, that was, wow.
Very visible.
Everything. There was nothing that was left to the imagination. So awesome leggings.
Yes. we like
They can be sexy or they can be conservative.
yeah.
You just have to be aware of how far you pull them up because it's very easy to get these because it's a thin fabric. Very easy to get a beautiful camel top and very easy to get them see-through. Knowing that you can see through them if you bend over, it's kind of like wearing a short skirt.
Yeah.
You just have to be aware that there's certain things you cannot do.
Yeah.
You just have to be aware that if you
Yeah.
stretch them too much, you can see through them quite easily, actually.
Yeah. Very.
I think those look nice.
Yeah, they're really soft. I love them. I like them because they're long. They're extra long.
Yeah, they seem like they're
Too long.
no, it's not form-fitting the way that leggings should be.
Like that.
Yeah, that looks like what it should be, but it seems
Yeah, I
too
agree.
loose. I bet if you dry them, they'll shrink a little bit and that will be fixed.
Yeah. I know.
It could be that actually you kind of put them on like stockings, you roll them up.
Oh yeah.
You could have
sure.
actually stretched them a little bit when you put them on.
Yeah.
Because it even hugs your calf pretty well too.
Yes, it hugs everything very well, and then right here.
And
where
then
I
all of a
stretched
sudden,
it,
right at the bottom.
and it feels like I did that.
Okay. I picked these out with you in mind, but I also have 2 more people worth of shoes, but you were the first one that we booked, and then you canceled one. I just kept the clothes.
I hope you don't have that.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna add that part. There's nothing wrong with that. I had you in mind when I was buying the clothes, but I didn't know what I was gonna have you wear.
Because I really love this bracelet.
Well, you even had it on your body and you liked it. You didn't dislike it until you saw it in the mirror.
Yeah,